So we've seen a number of relational algebra equivalences. Those are essentially logical equivalences. The next thing we want to look at are physical equivalences, which is to say what algorithms can be swapped in for what operators. So when we talk about things being physical, we're talking about implementation details now, not just relational expressions. So for base table accesses, with single table selections and single table projections, we have the choice of using heap scans or index scans, particularly if the index matches the selection predicates and is available on the columns in those predicates. For equijoins, as we know, we have block or chunk nested loops join, which is a simple algorithm. It makes pretty good use of extra memory relative to its friends in the nested loops family. We have index nested loops join, which is often good if one of your tables, the one that we're going to probe with, is small, and the other is indexed on the join columns. Sort merge join, as we know, is good. It makes efficient use of memory. It works well when your tables are equal sized. If your tables are rather different sized, you might want to use grace hash join. It's better than sort when one of the tables is small. Or you can try to use hybrid hash join if you have that. Now, the other physical equivalence that we should know about is for non-equijoins, theta joins that are not about equality. There, our only choice is to do nested loops. And of course, we should use block or chunk nested loops join in that case because it's the most efficient nested loops join algorithm.